Day 3 of our epic motorcycle adventure, heading down to Portsmouth, New Hampshire before picking up Highway 1 and then going along the coast up into Maine. So, another good night's sleep here at the Vermont Inn. Another lovely day to look forward to. Let's get to it. East to I-89 south to I-93 south, Salem, Boston. Exit 7 to New Hampshire, 101 east. I imagine somewhere around here we'll stop for gas. Again today, day 3. Thank you guys so much for riding along with me. I do greatly appreciate it. On this long way around the New England states, spent the last 2 days in Vermont. Had some great riding yesterday. I will put a link to that video here. For those that don't know me, my name is Dawn, aka Irish Bob's sister, and normally I am full-time over at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson as their marketing manager. I'm also a motorcycle mentor and life coach, and currently on the one ride with our FX Thunder H.O.G chapter. We dovetailed this in with the Iron Adventure H.O.G rally that took place in Ludlow, Vermont. We have her. Yes, Liz is back there. My greatest nightmare is I lose somebody in the group. And we are currently headed to the one. For those that don't know, Highway 1 runs north and south up along the Atlantic coast, as well as the Pacific coast. I'm originally from Northern California, and fond memories of riding that Highway 1. We wanted to do something similar this year, so just on the East Coast. Hence the name of the trip, the One Ride. And if you are new to motorcycling or returning after a long absence, I do have plenty of tips and tricks over on my website, irishbobsister.com. If you're curious about motorcycling, I also have a Skillshare class that is on my website as well. You can take a peek, check that out, try it out for free. Creeper van in the slow lane. So yeah, I think that's about it for this morning. Had a fantastic breakfast before heading out from the Vermont Inn. You know, it's kind of a shame too, because it's a beautiful inn, and it's from a time where I think at least community was a little bit stronger than what it is now. You know what I mean? Like, so if you guys ever watched that movie Dirty Dancing with Patrick Swayze, and I can't remember the chick's name, sorry. Anywho, like, they all would just like go to a summer camp for the summer, like whole families, and just hang out and have fun and have good times together. Nowadays, people treat hotels as just like, oh, I'm just sleeping there. I'm just paying for the room. I'm just sleeping there. And then they go out from the hotel or motel or wherever it is and do what they do, and then come back and just like. The Vermont Inn's got all sorts of cute stuff. It used to have a restaurant. The restaurant's now closed. They just do breakfast for the guests. But the whole sense of community is gone. Like, even with us, we stayed there 2 nights. It would have been great. I should have, that's a great place to stay and just hang out even. Connect with old friends, like in life, in person, face to face, not through the phone or the internet. Just slow down and take a minute and rest and relax. We were saying that this morning at breakfast. It would be nice just to stay there, for the rest of the week. So I don't know, maybe we'll do a spot like that next year on our way out to Milwaukee for the 120th anniversary. Instead of, obviously each person had their own room, or each couple had their own room or whatever, but book it at a spot that is also conducive to just relaxing, chillaxing with your friends. All right, I gotta pay attention though now, guys, because I know we continue straight. Yesterday we took a right. We continue straight today because we were taking 4 out to Interstate 89 heading south. So I am going to shut up and let you guys, even though it's through the internet, connect back to nature, the beautiful mountain greenery of the hills of Vermont. Enjoy. I'll pick you guys up later.
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't want to be like you. If you want to take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? 'Cause you love to tell me what to do. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. I don't wanna put on a smile, everybody expects me to. So you can keep your suit and your tie, gotta hope that it strangles you. Yeah, I do. You buy so you don't need to impress the ones you hate, that's so up. 'Cause everything you own just ends up owning you. So dear society, you suck. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it.
Very New England charm. Looks like a commons area. Just darling.
Dear society, you suck. Am I the only one who's outside of this box?
That woke me up a little bit. I know, I'd be looking at the scenery, except I'm having to choose what line I'm going to take through to avoid all those craters. Oh, here we go, 89 coming up, it looks like. 89 south. We're following the mass hole.
Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out and make it fit.
Happy anniversary, right? Yeah.
Maybe it's you who's upside down. I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. Yahooza.
From there, we jumped onto the interstate and rode 114 miles to Hampton, New Hampshire before getting onto Route 1. Although it's not my favorite way to go, the interstate will get you there much quicker than on the back roads. The downside, in addition to not really seeing much in the way of scenery, is that it'll drain you pretty bad physically, when you're riding a motorcycle, that is. Did I mention it was 86 degrees with 57% humidity? No shade, no little cool spots to enjoy because we had our throttles wide open. We just wanted to get there and get off the interstate as fast as we could. So by the time we got to Kennebunk, checked into Kennebunk Inn, and then got cooled off and changed for dinner at Duffy's Tavern, we were a little bit tired. All I remembered to do was to catch this video of the falls on the Muson River. I could have sworn I did my little end of day diary into the camera on day 3, but when I began editing this day, I could not find it at all. So, in all transparency, I took the pictures of Kennebunk the next morning, day 4 of our ride, before we headed out to Kennebunkport and Bentley's Saloon in Rundle, Maine. That's my chance to put in another shameless plug. There's 3 days of this epic motorcycle adventure left for me to edit and post. If you'd like to watch them, then I'd highly suggest you click that subscribe button right now. If you want to be notified when I upload new videos, then click that bell. And if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Until next week, please stay safe, be kind to one another, ride when you can, and have fun.